Jamaica, yo. So now it's time to spew crap about the anniversary of 9/11 from the great liars, corruptors, and oppressors of humanity, still working hard to deceive humanity about Islam and Muslims. So who really did 9/11? At the end of this, you'll realize that you may be an idiot, blind, or brainwashed, or that the feeling you had was right. Most say it's Muslims, including everyone in the European Union, United Nations, and every country under democracy and the Constitution, along with all the human slaves they control, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Now, remember the school days you had that troublemaking kid in class, and while you're focused on schoolwork, him slap you in your head, and when you turn around and point to someone else who is innocent of what he just did, creating a conflict. Well, this is what America, England, and the United Nations did. So they could get the go ahead to invade the Middle East and wage war against Muslims and prepare it for the Antichrist. Just like with the Holocaust, how Hitler was a part of them and them sacrificed them own people using stolen Judaism as a cover so they could invade Palestine. They are in truth the anti-Jews. Jews were never white, and their role is to release the Antichrist in the new Israel. Now, 9/11, so much proofs are there as to who did it. Years before it happened, it was promoted in the Simpsons cartoon, showing it will be a moneymaker. It was featured on the Die Hard movie cover. It was featured in the Terminator movie with the truck and the bridge scene. I was a caution, 9/11. It was featured on the L&M cigarette and the proud smoke, meaning 9/11 will be internal and they are proud to sacrifice them own sheep that they control. Also, every Jew who working at the trade center was told before not to attend work that day. 9/11 was also featured on this rock album called Supertramp. It was also featured on Sesame Street. And another place the agenda could be found was on the American $20. It was also featured in a Spider-Man comics and the cartoon Johnny Bravo. Now, it's time to revert from being an idiot and randomly pointing fingers at people your Illuminati masters tell you to and go get some real knowledge and life. You have been tricked hard that you are awake but you are just a sleeping puppet. Muslims don't deal with images, idols, statues, nothing of the sort. They don't have pictures hanging in their homes while they know the devils are the jinns them can reside in them. And no angel will ever step into the home that contains images. So will you say Muslims are responsible for creating things like The Simpsons, Spider-Man, Sesame Street, or whatever else these people have or promote them propaganda? Furthermore, again, this is on the US money. So, are you going to say that Muslims are responsible for creating the American currency too? It's all a scam to try and wipe Islam and fend off Muslims for the creation of the Zionist state of Israel, which them do. And groups like ISIS and Boko Haram are actually paid individuals and MK Ultra patients used to wreak havoc in the East so the Western soldiers can step in as some sort of savior to gradually control the people and their land, trying to convert them into naked pagans, free from the commands of the Creator, destined for hellfire. Enjoy the last portion of your life and don't be one who can answer 3 questions at death. Who is your creator? Who is your prophet? And what was the way provided for you to walk? In other words, what's your spiritual identity? Jamaica, yo.